keep it from crashing.
The FDA has approved the first drug specifically developed for postpartum depression.
And today we're hearing from a South Windsor mother who has benefited from this new treatment. Shannon Miller is live for us in South Windsor with more on this story. Shannon?
Yeah, Carrie Lee and Kevin, those moms we spoke with today who have battled postpartum depression said there are days that they didn't even want to go out of the house, much less go in the playground to play with their kids. But because of that drug, that South Windsor mom is seeing better days, and it's got other moms who have fought postpartum depression feeling much more encouraged as well.
Sparkle is a little wide.
After both of her pregnancies, Stephanie Hathaway had the same feelings return.
The worst was when I started having the intrusive thoughts of your daughter deserves a better mom, your husband deserves a better wife.
While antidepressants helped ease her postpartum depression after her first daughter, she says the symptoms came on even stronger after having her second.
And at that point, I was so hopeless and so fearful for my life that I thought, why not? I didn't even call my husband first. I called them and was accepted into the study.
Stephanie's friend told her about a trial for a new drug known as brexanolone, a 60-hour injection. And for Stephanie, the positive results came in just hours.
I came home and the bonding with the baby was just, it was how it was supposed to be from the beginning.
The drug, which was approved by the FDA on Tuesday, will be marketed as Guerra. Our Guerra, an APRN with the Institute of Living with Hartford Hospital, says 10 to 20% of moms suffer from postpartum depression. Guerra has encouraged how the drug targets symptoms.
I think the theory behind this is that especially in the postpartum period, there can be a rise in progesterone, and that might be impactful as far as mood goes.
I left her 1-month checkup appointment with a prescription for antidepressants and a recommendation to seek therapy.
Mom Emily Courtney, who has used therapy and antidepressants to treat her depression, is encouraged about the drug, but says the potential cost and time are a concern for her.
It's 60 hours in an infusion center. That's a huge amount of time away from a family.
Still, for Stephanie, it's a drug that's changed her life for the better.
I think a 60-hour infusion is just a drop in the bucket of time when you're dealing with what I dealt with.
Well, the FDA says some of those side effects of the drug are sleepiness, dry mouth, and loss of consciousness. It's expected to cost anywhere between $20,000 to $35,000 and is expected to be available in late June. Live in South Windsor, Shannon Miller, NBC Connecticut News. Back to you.
All right.